What is up, my kitties? Today, I've already been playing this for a long time. I've been playing this for a little while. I used to have it before. And I'm working towards getting paintball and ice. I'll show you her later. So, I recommend it. Hashtag not sponsored. So I'm playing, trying to get up as I can. You're going to have to be careful with those things. You have to either wait for them to pass. Can't wait too long or you'll be out. This is like a game show. For the characters in Amazing Golden Gumball, haven't seen that show before. It's really good, in my opinion. Oh no, I've been hit. Now he's a frozen potato. I have 53 at the moment. In 17 minutes. So, oh, I'm gonna play this for about 20 minutes. I'm going to start to make my videos like 20 minutes. This is not just like, oh wow, that was kind of fast. Okay, I just need to find a golden door with a golden key. If I do, I need to show you what it looks like. You also have to be. No, I didn't get to show you guys what it is yet. Oh yeah. Gotta keep doing it. I forgot to show you. Oh no. Okay. So, here's all the characters. I feel like the colors are duller. So yeah. We're looking forward to her for 400. Or either one. Or old school Darwin.
We're back to number one in the SEC.
Really? So I'm gonna play as Carrie right now. Switching characters. You start out as Gumball. Oh, no, do it again. No, you. Oh! You were not fast enough, Carrie. No. Not watching an ad. But the AdSense money! Let's count. I want some AdSense money. No. Oops. Oops, I hit that button. Nerf. Wow. 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 Please don't copyright me. Please. Okay. Please alive. beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to do this thing. Now carries out. Okay, now I had to do her and carries out, and I can't use her. And then next I'll do Gumball, and then I'll do Idaho. Go this way. Okay, volume just like cut out there, I think. Oh my god. Like go. No, you can't use him. And now we're doing Gumball, and then we'll do Idaho. Yeah. This is as much on the quarterback as anybody. You just can't throw blind into a safety that's going to hit Calcaterra. It's the second time this has happened. You start to see Calcaterra starting to look early. Well done. Oh, okay. Sorry, don't copyright me. I'm just so gross. Don't copyright me.
Let me catch up to there.
So, yeah, guys. Goodbye. Take care. Okay, we're gonna use laser. Okay, this is the door I need to show you. Yes, we did it. To Candyland! Sometimes there's a geyser and sometimes you have to do this. Last time it was a geyser. Dang it. Okay. I'm actually gonna make this video 10 minutes. Oh, no, this person's up.
Free 2-day delivery to your door. The ability to search by snapping a picture. And everything you need to bring more joy to the world.
Okay, goodbye.
This is how we're making it easier to deliver the magic of Christmas.
Brain farted there. Now we have to pick Idaho.
Get your choice 7.5 with artificial trees for just $99. At the Home Depot. More safe, more joy. election night. See the results live on ABC starting at 8 Eastern.
Okay, goodbye.